Well, Your Honours, dear organisers of this conference, ladies and gentlemen, let me say at the outset how delighted I am to be here this afternoon, and that particularly for two reasons. Reason number one is to express my appreciation for and it has a lot to do with about what we talk today, about the really thriving digital ecosystem here in Pakistan in general, including remarkable start-up scenery, and in total a digital setup to which Justice Project Pakistan has also contributed, certainly in a broader sense. Frankly, in an overall not too flattering picture of Pakistan's economic situation right now, the IT and digital sector positively stands out. Indeed, we have seen the compound annual growth rate for IT and related services reached almost 20% last year, the highest growth rate of any industry in Pakistan, including many micro-enterprises, independent consultants and freelancers. All this is working in Pakistan's favor as the country is blessed, and we see it here also in the justice and judicial area, with very innovative and gifted individuals who can adapt quickly to changing world dynamics. So this project is also a testament to the talent and the entrepreneurship of young Pakistanis, and I can only encourage you also, and in particularly in the judicial field, to harness the great and still not fully tapped potential. Reason number two is that in the digital age, information technology permeates all walks of life, the legal sector certainly being no exception. Although concerns about data protection and security remains relevant, the focus here again should be on the huge opportunities digitalization presents in the legal field, especially when it comes to access to justice. Here, technology is indeed not an end in itself and should never be, but is a mere tool for making justice more accessible and equitable, hence making people's life better. In that sense, I'm very much obliged to Justice Project Pakistan, with which the German Embassy has been collaborating for years in a very trustful and productive manner on human rights issues. One upshot from this very close collaboration is the app Bakir online, which I am certain will also be presented here in the course of this event. With the decision to fund the programming of a smartphone app, the Embassy has entered uncharted territory even for us. Initial aim was to develop an app which enables inmates on death row, respectively their families and relatives, to get in touch with suitable lawyers who might take up the case even pro bono. And you know, we are very much engaged in encouraging steps leading to the abolition of the death penalty, or at least moves towards it. Since then, the usability of the app has evolved way beyond the initial scope. And Sarah has alluded to the, I think, very pertinent use of this app particularly to the benefit of Pakistani prisoners abroad. But there are other legal services imaginable which provide people an easier and affordable access to the legal system. To discuss and evaluate options and feasibilities will certainly be part of today's consideration. Needless to say that in our view, the human rights dimension, for instance, pro bono approaches for those who have not the financial means to cover legal expenses, should always be on our mind when future and further developing this app. With that, all the best for future endeavors surrounding Justice Project Pakistan. Thanks a lot for your engagement and commitment, and thanks much for your very kind attention. Thank you.